Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and it's February's Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got in my February box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so here she is. It's the base box. Because I get the Luxe box every 3 months, but don't waste your money. So late. I actually got that box yesterday or day before yesterday, but I got it this week after Valentine's Day. So I guess this is Valentine's Day box, but it's already late. And it's a Glam-amours, like Valentine, but Glam-amours. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not getting that box, so it's like hella late. So the first thing in here is from OPV Beauty, and it's just a setting powder, which I can use today in my video. Oh, this looks pretty. Doesn't really have a smell. I smell everything to see if it has a smell. Oh, no, it's like a powder smell. That looks like so. It's kind of cute. It gives me, you know, kind of Laura Mercier vibes, but yeah, it's just this shade is medium. I don't know how they put that. We'll see how that matches me. And we also got a Bali Balm pineapple lip scrub. Actually, I have their lip gloss and I really like that. So yeah. Ooh, this smells good too. I might give that to Shay, which is my daughter. She might like that. And let's jump in item number 3. It is it's a Saturday Skin eye cream. See, all these things I really can't like test on camera, except I'll test the powder for sure. Oh, this is cute. Looks like so. Let's just see how she feels. Let's see how she feels. I'm gonna pass a little bit under my eye, which is I'm gonna take off because, you know, I have to put my makeup on. I mean, I don't know. Things like this you can't really like say for sure if it's gonna work or not. I mean, yeah, we'll see. I'll keep on trying it. We also get a tone primer, and it's from Yensa, and it's color plus face tone up primer. It's a glow primer, so I can also use that in my video. Oh, it has like a little tint. See, like right here. Doesn't really have any smell either. And then this is this is from Ireland, so it's an Ireland brand. Moisturize and prep skin for makeup, blurs imperfection and pores, provide brighter skin tone, powered by 8 super black essence. So we will see how this will be the ones to judge it, right? Okay, well, the 5th and final item we have today, and then this is actually, it's from Alleyoop, and it's a multitasker 4-in-1 brush. A 4-in-1 brush. What am I gonna use it for? 4. Okay, so let's take her apart. So there's that part which could be like a really good contour brush, maybe. We'll see. So there's that. And then there's this part. Maybe you can use it for, oh, I don't like this because this is hella dense. So you unscrew this. I was like, where's the other 4 brushes? And there's an eyebrow brush, so you can use this. This is kind of cool, you know, like a brush you just go on the, you know, to take with you on the go. And then you unscrew this part, and then this, I'm guessing, is an eyeshadow brush. Not sure what this is gonna eyeshadow, but yeah, this is kind of cute, but this I know I would not like at all. So yeah, but I'll use this, you know, so we'll see. So as you guys see, there's no not foundation, sorry, there's no eyeshadow, but you know, I have tons of eyeshadow palettes, so let's go and create, you know, a quick look. Let's create a look. I'm actually just gonna go in the first palette that's here, which is this palette from Juvia's Place, not Juvia's Place, Makeup by Yolondo. It's right here. I'm just gonna jump into it, and the first shade I'm gonna go into is gonna be this shade right here called Browning. I'm using a M507 from Morphe, and then we're gonna put that right here. So when you like, for the most part, I'm just using that brush to like, to really just put the product down. Yeah, like right here. But you know, like when you get to the edges, like tap it, like do a little tap motion, like so, to just blend the edges, because you don't want the edges to be so sharp, and when you do that sometimes you have issues blending. So like so. Now we're gonna take that Kara brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges of this. And let me go to my true, you know, that I know is gonna work. And then this is a 204 from Makeup by Yolondo. That's in the white 10. Just see this. I just do this, and this is like blended. That other brush was not blended. Okay, now we're gonna go into, I'm not really gonna show all the shades, I'm just gonna talk and say which shade I'm gonna go in. The next shade I'm gonna go in is gonna be maroon, and that shade I'm just leaving it low. Okay, and then back to the 204 and just kind of blend this. I'm trying not to do too much of a crazy look, guys, because you know that's not what the focus of the video is. So we're just gonna, you know, go through this real quick, because I cannot just not do a look, you know. Here's what I'm saying. You got it. Okay, so now we're gonna go into blackish. I'll just say the shade just in case you guys have the palette. I want to try that look. That's the only reason why. And then black, I'm leaving it down. Okay, now we're gonna go back into this and blend this. And sometimes, guys, you might have to go in a couple times, and that's okay. I am gonna put some base. Again, I'm not gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna clean it up. Like more of a messy cut crease, but not like an actual cut crease. Guys, sometimes you just, like, I have no idea where this look is gonna go, but you know, we have to make it work. See, so nice. Now we're gonna go into tropical. Just go to town. Don't worry about it if it's messy, because remember, we're not doing an actual cut crease. Okay, now let's go back to brownie. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. I'm back and eyes are done. I'm back and eyes are done. Oh, okay, let's forget that I said that. So we're gonna go ahead and test all that primer, and I will tell you if this blurs or not. I'll be the judge of that. So it does blur a little bit, but I don't know what I feel about that. This is my concealer from Ulta. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dressing. Fix it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. Just you notice. Oh my god, I look so funny. This video is funny. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my foundation. I like to brush it so. When you do this, guys, you use so much less foundation. Not the Morphe part. The Morphe part you can do without. That's just me, you know, playing with my makeup a little bit and trying to, you know, come up with new ideas. So just ignore that. Okay, now let us go to tongue and blend. Man, I need some sun. Somebody take me to the beach somewhere. I was in Dominica, but I couldn't go to the beach, unfortunately, because I was still sick. Still sick. But no, I feel better, but I still, you know, I know I'm away from the beach. So what's up with that? Now let's blend out the concealer. Okay, man, I like how this looks. Now let's use this. I'm gonna attempt to use this to set under my eye. Let's see. So I feel like for the rest of my face, this might be good. Should I do it? Okay. I just little translucent powder here from bareMinerals. It's a beauty gift for you. Some gift. It's the original veil. So I'm gonna use that under my eyes. So I can just get a little bit of brightness, just a little bit. So let's go underneath the eyes real quick. I'm just gonna put some stuff under there. Need to move on. This video is becoming quite long. This is actually from Julia's Place, and this is the medium. And now I'm gonna go and let's test out this blush for contour. We can use this. This is from one side. Again, this is not a contour, it's just a powder, but I just got a really dark shade. And then I like this brush for this or that part. And then I just kind of like dust it off, like, you know, to just make the edges look similar. Okay, so now let's go under the eye. Let's go. I wonder if this will work for under my eye. Not this one. This part. This part. I'm not gonna go with all the shades. Maybe just the green and the brown. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul. This is not gonna work. It's too big. No girl ever says that. I mean, I don't know. Ah! That's it. Let's use this M508 from Morphe. Let's put a little bit of blackish, maybe. This is pink. Which shade is this? Let's escape from Shigam. This is from Glam Light. I'm just gonna put a little bit. So I'm gonna use this from MAC. This is Minted from MAC. And now I'm just gonna bring down that green real quick. We're pretty much almost done, guys, and then just the lip, and then we go through the list and we're done. Ooh, this is bright. But you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm crazy. This is from Lancome, and this shade is 525 French Bisou. French kiss. Yep, that's it. Okay, so let's jump into. I really like this primer. I feel like, you know, it really did like blow like right here, like my pores. I can barely see my pores, and I have some giant pores. And this brush, I love this brush, but just this part. The other parts I could have done without. The other 3 parts, so 1 part. Okay, so let's jump into this real quick. Let's jump into the list. So let's see. So we're gonna go into the calculator. Let me clear my screen real quick. You know, we have 0. So the first thing is the Saturday Skin Vitamin is the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, I don't know, a rich vitamin C citrus combined with targeted ingredients such as the Active Vita Complex. We'll see. I'll try it. And that is $32. Next item on here is from OPV Beauty, which was the powder. I really like the powder. My only issue, so it's like really smooth. My only issue with that, I think it's a little bit too dark for like my under eye, so I had to put something else to brighten a little bit. But you could use it like for your face, or if you're a little bit darker than me, then you could use it to set under your eye. So, and that was $22. And we have the primer, which I really like that primer. Like I tell you, like I can barely see my pores right here, girl. I'll be using that again, and that is $35. And we have the Alleyoop 4-in-1 brush. As I say, guys, I really like that one part of that brush, like just this part. The other part of the brush I'm not gonna use, but this was really good. Like it fit like right here, perfect. So that is a good brush for that, so that's a plus. And that is $28 for, well, technically it's 4 brushes, but I only use 1. So, and the final star of the show is this rich Indulgence sugar scrub. It's packed with juicy pineapple fragrance, and this is from Bali Balm, and it's the pineapple lip scrub, and it's $23. So the total for my box is $140, and I think they raised up the price. I think I paid like $30 for it, but 30, so technically I get, you know, $110 worth of products for free. So it's not insane. This time around I had what, 2 face products, and I had the primer, I had the brush that I could use right away. Oh, and the setting powder. So the only thing I couldn't really use right away was the scrub and the eye cream. But I've actually used stuff from Saturday Skin before, and I really like it, so I'm excited to try that again. And I'm sure my daughter loved the balm. I have the lip gloss from them, or the lip balm, and I really like that. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family if you want to see, you know, other fun videos like this. And guess what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.